Okay, the second problem that I want to do for you, I want to find the area of this shaded region. So let's do a little bit of planning here. If I know the area of the circle, so area of the circle, and I take away the area of the square, so area square, that should give me the area of the shaded region. So that gives me my answer. So it equals, yay! Okay, so let's figure out the area of the circle first. Well, to do that, I need the radius of the circle. So let me draw a picture here. Oops. Okay, my computer's going a little slow today. So there's my diameter. And if I look at half of this distance, so if I just take like this half right here, let me highlight it. If I just take this half here, that gives me my radius. Well, what is that half? Well, to get that half, I have to get the total length. And to do that, I will use our old friend, the Pythagorean theorem. So I have 6 squared, this side, plus 6 squared, this side, equals, well, this is the area we're looking for. Let's call it d squared, because it's our diameter. Okay? So I get 36 plus 36, which is 72, and that's d squared. And then I need to square root that. You can use your calculator for that if you want to. You don't have to. I like these calculators because they give me, sometimes if you can simplify, they simplify it for you. It's kind of nice. Oops, don't put a parenthesis there. So I hit enter, and I get 6 root 2. And I'll teach you later how to simplify. Actually, you could leave it in the square root as well, because you're going to be squaring it soon anyhow. But that's okay. Let's just leave it square root of 72 for right now. So that's my diameter. And the radius is half of that, so my radius will be square root of 72 over 2, because I want half of that to get the radius. So now I know the radius, so the area of the circle is going to be pi r squared, so root 72 over 2, square the whole thing now, including the bottom, don't forget that. That's the area of the circle. Minus area of the square is just the side, you square it, so I get 6 times 6. And then I simplify this a little bit, I get 72, square root of 72. When I square that, I just get 72 over 2 squared is 4, all times pi, minus 36. And then 72 over 4, I can reduce that. And when I reduce that, your calculator actually would do this for you, or you can do it yourself, and you get 18 pi minus 36. Now, you're probably looking at this and thinking, and this would be in square, inches, feet, miles, yards, whatever your original lengths were in. That's what this will be in. So let's just say square units. So units with a little squared above them. Or you could write out squared units. Now you're probably looking at this and thinking it's kind of weird because I left the pi in there. But a lot of times when you have answers with pi or square root of 2, square root of 3, things like that, we like to keep those in that form. It's okay to have pi in your answer and square root of 2 and square root of 3 in your answer because those are exact values. When you start writing down decimals, you lose a little bit of accuracy. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you have a great day.